Led Cmf1531-Sv8.5 Festoon Led 9. 1. High brightness and reliability. Equipped with high efficiency LED and advanced optical lens design, this Festoon LED bulb delivers up to 120 lumens of bright, stable light, ideal for automotive lighting upgrades requiring high visibility and performance. 2. Wide voltage and non-polarity design. Supports 12 to 30 V DC wide voltage input and features a non-polarity design, allowing installation in either direction without the need to distinguish positive and negative terminals, making installation quicker and more user-friendly. 3. Focus beam and excellent heat dissipation. Designed with integrated optical lens and optimized thermal management to maintain brightness and ensure long-term reliability under heat and vibration. 4. Power efficiency. Operates at only 1.5 W while providing high lumen output, ensuring energy savings without compromising brightness. 5. Applications. Perfect for a wide range of automotive lighting uses. Interior lighting, roof, dome, footwell, auxiliary driving lighting, license plate lighting, trunk lighting, side muzzle or courtesy lights, fully compatible with Sv8.5 Festoon base sockets. 6. Easy installation. Matches the size of traditional Festoon bulb for direct plug and play. Replacement, no rewiring or modification required. 7. Product dimensions. Width 15 mm, length 31 mm. 8. Color options. 4K cool white standard, 2700K warm white soft, cozy glow. Custom colors available on request: red, yellow, green, blue, and others. 9. No, please verify the bulb size and model before purchasing. Contact us for compatibility questions or to request customized versions.